What up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Keystone, and Area 51 is opening today. I'm so hyped because I actually haven't looked at their Instagram or anything. I have no idea what's going to be in Area 51. I didn't even know it was going to open today until yesterday. People were like, yo, Area 51 opens tomorrow. I'm like, well, I guess we got to go. And I'm stoked because the last 2 years, Keystone has sucked in the park. I'm sorry, Keystone, you sucked. Your rails were sticky. It was garbage. But this season, the early season park they built was not only flowy and fun and cool, but the rail slipped. So we'll see what's going to happen today. But before we jump up there and rip that, I want to give a shout out to my glove sponsor, Elevation Supply Co. They just sent me a care package. So let's go check it out quick. These dudes hooked it up. Of course, we got a hoodie. They hooked Roman up with some gloves. These things are sick. I cannot wait for the dude to rep those. So excited about these. These guys are gorgeous. These are actual gloves. So Elevation Supply Co. is a Wisconsin-based company, so their gloves work really good on tow ropes because there's a lot of tow ropes in Wisconsin. Some poofier, thick mittens. These things are sick. I mean, 2 pairs of those. What I'm really excited about, and when a lot of people were like, oh, they don't have them, it was my feedback I gave them in the beginning, was they didn't have glove dangles. So now you can get these additional glove dangles for your gloves, which is amazing. Yeah, they're the sick ones that go around your wristband. Like, and these were my ultimate favorite pair of gloves. I got like 300 days out of them, and I actually still get days out of them, but they got a little bit of holes. But the trigger mittens, the gray ones, oh yeah, these things are sick. So we got gloves. We got Elevation Supply Co. Thank you so much for hooking us up, guys. If you need gloves, fingers, mitts, trigger mitts, any glove, park mitts, gloves that are going to work on tow ropes, check out Elevation Supply Co. Linked in the description. These are literally the warmest gloves I've ever worn snowboarding. So, all right. We're going to do the thing, though, where we get, like, I want to rip the park. You want to sit, you know. So this is my happy place. You guys always ask me, like, where's my favorite place to snowboard? And it's not a specific mountain. It's not an area of the United States. It's literally this chairlift, my favorite place. Everything underneath it, I've learned and got all my skills of snowboarding in this spot right here. Also, they put a jump line down like Central or Park Lane, whatever. Mind-blowing. I've never seen jumps there before. Keystone, you killed it. Guys, we got Alex and Andrew.
What's up? Again?
We run into these guys all the time.
Yeah!
And this is the kid I put snow in his face.
Yeah!
absolutely covered from that sled.
What happened?
It's a mixture of the man-made snow and fresh pow, so like some of it will grab you and whatnot. Let's go, dude, this park is sick. Joey, what's up? You got the sticker and everything?
Yeah, I got the goggles too.
Oh, no way.
I got one on the board.
Dude, Can you take your helmet off? This is the first in person I've seen someone repping. Look this way. The goggles, let's go! Dude, you like them?
Yeah, they're amazing.
They're sick. I'm not even wearing mine today. I'm actually testing out the cylindrical ones that Khuno has, which are sick. But I have my own pro models. Dude, thanks for snagging them. Let's go. You guys want to take a picture? What's your name again?
Mark!
Mark, nice to
North
meet you,
Carolina,
dude.
man.
Let's go, North Carolina, yes!
I watch your videos, man.
What's your name?
Scott.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
dude.
to meet you. I literally learned everything pretty much from you.
I love it, man.
What
Thanks
day
for
you
watching
at?
the vid. This might be
It's
the
literally
best day of my
$10. You
life
get two
because
burgers.
this dude's repping a windbreaker.
Two cheeseburgers. Dude, that windbreaker now. Yeah, dude, hell yeah. How are you?
What's your name?
John.
John. Repping it.
Hell
Let's
yeah.
go. Got the sticker. What's your name? Michael. My favorite feature in the park, we've actually passed it, is that subscribe button right over there. If you look, see it? You guys should click it. You know, you gotta get the powder where you can find it. South Park Shredders.
Hey, how you doing,
South
brother?
Park Shredders. What up, Chris James?
Look at this guy.
What up, buddy?
What up, brother? How you doing, man?
I think this whole video is us just running into subscribers and our friends. Yo, dude, that's a sick sticker.
Yeah, dude.
What up, man? How you doing?
Good, how about you?
You don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth.
Holy crap!
I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying
It's all riding up with Chris first. Alright guys, so it's Martin Luther King weekend. It is so busy out here, it's insane. And we've seen so many stickers on people's helmets. But you know where we've not seen a sticker? Today's sticker shout out. We got Jay Breezy 35 with the Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane, man. As well as we got Adam Peaches with 2 Evolution stickers, the paint splatters that are sold out. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker, or if you're a skier and you want one, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. They're all linked in the description, as well as our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, windbreakers. Today actually is a windbreaker day. I should have threw it on, but don't worry. Our boy Cody, he's rocking it. But all of the merch, guys, is linked in the description. And if you do snag any of it, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But follow the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra vertical content that you find on those platforms. We've been posting a lot of stuff over there. The TikTok has 120,000 followers. Oh yeah, thank you for 100,000 followers on YouTube. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna do a trick that I've been working on, and I'm mainly doing it on weird side jumps and stuff. I'm gonna do front 3 off the toes on this first jump, and then we'll just go with what feels good.
Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see a shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag.
Go.
We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our
down yet.
I'm not buying no ride of suburban life when there's a fire raging just outside our door. You talk about peace on earth and the summer of love.
You think these kids would learn not to spray us?
We might have a record number of tindies in this vlog.
Dude, there's so many tindies going on right now. Benton got a massive tindy and then missed it. It's actually. All right, Team Buckhouse, so we died. Not died. We ran out of SD card space. We actually filmed 2 videos. Me rip with my nephew tailing it at a basin. First time ever snowboarding. For his birthday, he was like, I want to go snowboard with Uncle Johnathan and make a YouTube video. How cool is that? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Keystone, you crushed it. What a sick park. Thanks for all the love and support. I don't know. We're rocking a new mic setup too, by the way, because the other one's broke and we have other ones coming, but we're doing like this shotgun mic style right now. It's working, I think. Tell me know in the comments how's the audio. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because it's daily on this channel. And Cody's been editing a lot of these videos. I think he edited this one.